Hey guys, welcome back to the Human Condition. This video is another video in our biology series. This video is what is norepinephrine and how do we stay motivated. In this video there'll be four main topics I'll talk about in norepinephrine. The first one is cardiovascular impacts, cognitive impacts, respiratory, metabolic, and physical. Should be a pretty interesting one. The first one is cardiovascular. Norepinephrine, the one of motivation to keep us energized and focused and motivated. It increases heart rate, blood pressure, and this is because it's norepinephrine is kind of trying to get your body ready to take action and move forward in life. So with this, with high level increasing norepinephrine will increase those physical symptoms of high blood pressure and heart rate. So obviously too high of norepinephrine levels might be bad because too high blood pressure and too fast of a heart rate. For cardiovascular, it increases your heart rate and your blood. I'll start off with the second topic, respiratory. Respiratory, it dilates your airways, so it makes your throat bigger, if I'm not mistaken, or something like that. It dilates your airways. The third is metabolic. Your body prepared to produce more sugar, which makes sense, so like glucose, so you have more energy to stay focused, motivated, take action. So this is the brain chemical associated with, at least in my opinion, with responsibility. So when you I really don't want to do something, but I'll do it anyway, that's norepinephrine. A little bit of cortisol probably, but probably most likely norepinephrine. Too high levels can be associated with high blood pressure, heart rate, because norepinephrine is a very energetic and effort-oriented brain chemical. Helps you take effort. So with high levels or increased norepinephrine, your body's physiological state changes to high blood pressure, tightened blood vessels, basically a very stress-oriented chemical, but it's a good type of stress to stay motivated and energetic, excitatory, if I'm not mistaken, that's how you say it, excitatory brain chemical, working with glutamate, dopamine, adrenaline. Is all excitatory versus inhibitory. There's a correlation between increased dopamine and norepinephrine heavily because, if I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong, norepinephrine is synthesized from dopamine. So almost all the time when dopamine increases norepinephrine is, but sometimes, rarely, you'll have high dopamine and low norepinephrine, and this can cause doing things that you're excited about, but not doing things that you have to do if you have dopamine but no norepinephrine. So this can explain why sometimes in life we like to take the easy route out and just chill and vibe out, instead of taking action, doing the things we have to do, because this might be associated with high levels of dopamine, which is good motivation, but not enough energy or effort, norepinephrine, to take action, the things we have to do sometimes. Cardiovascularly, it can increase heart rate and blood pressure to get ready to take action, kind of similar to adrenaline. It's kind of cool because excitatory brain chemicals and inhibitory brain chemicals are having a battle inside our brains, excitatory to take action, inhibitory to chill out. So it works heavily with dopamine, adrenaline, cortisol, glutamate, the main excitatory, the top dog of the excitatory brain chemicals, if I'm not mistaken, versus the top dog of inhibitory, GABA, oxytocin, serotonin, and all those brain chemicals. In conclusion, in this video, the 6 main topics. Cardiovascularly, it increases blood pressure and heart rate to take action and stay focused. Respiratory, physically, it directs blood pressure to the muscles to get ready to take action. Kind of similar to adrenaline as well, the fight or flight response. So those are the 5 main topics in this video: cardiovascular, respiratory, metabolic, brain function, physical aspects of norepinephrine. On the brain, it makes us motivated, to do things that we don't really want to do. Brain chemical highly associated with discipline. So it works high with all the other brain chemicals, but whenever you feel like, I really don't want to do this thing, and then you do it, it's norepinephrine. Or in a little bit, but in that feeling, like when you don't want to do something, the feeling, also a little bit of cortisol and dopamine. The feeling of I have to do this something, the stress part is probably a little bit of cortisol, and the satisfaction of wow, I did something that I didn't really want to do. The satisfaction in it is dopamine. So cortisol, that'd be an example of how cortisol, dopamine, and norepinephrine all work together. The actual effort of doing something that you have to do, cortisol, the realization that you have to do something, and dopamine, the satisfaction of doing something that you didn't want to do. So yeah, you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry it was kind of a short one, but as always, thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe if you want. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.